thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin moving slowly sideways, kind of a boring day. The most important thing here is that Bitcoin is at the upper trend line of this falling, broadening wedge. So if you do not break out here, you're headed lower, right? Plan A, go long here. Plan B, go short here. That simple. Don't guess. Don't try to predict. Just react to the price moves. Make money going both ways. This is the 2-hour chart. And again, Bitcoin steadily moving sideways after this rejection. And so just keep this in mind. Based on all the negative news that we've seen in the market, why didn't the bottom fall out in Bitcoin? And I think, hey, there's some altcoin holders that have switched to altcoin holding because we've seen altcoins dropping and Bitcoin moving sideways. So I'm sure some people in the United States really makes up a small percentage, less than 25% of the global trading volume when you're talking about Bitcoin. A lot of people, are you going to move out of the United States to go and trade little tiny altcoins that you fell in love with? Or are you going to move your money into Bitcoin, right? That has to be an idea. This is Twitter. Make sure follow me there, cryptobitcoinchris. And so I was on my knees at church for 2 minutes, thanking God for all the blessings in my life, not houses and cars and stuff. I was thanking God that I have you in my life because you give me purpose. Helping you gives me the greatest joy that I've ever imagined. Never did I think I would have doctors and lawyers, and I just talked to a guy that has the 7th fastest growing company in the United States. And he's like, dude, come over to my house, check out my boat. I actually helped him turn 500,000 to 8 million in the trading group. Crypto has been put in my life and gave me purpose. And I really think like once you get to a certain number in life, you really find out who you are, right? When you're not living paycheck to paycheck and you've got plenty of money, you find out what makes you tick, and it's helping people. And I'm not one to say, hey, I bought this for this person and help this person with this and help this person with this, because I do it all the time because I love it, because it means more to me to help somebody else, help somebody succeed, help somebody in a bind. That's me, right? You guys know this. If you guys have been following me for an extended period of time, you know what I'm about. This person said, shorting is a superpower on MEXC. I'm telling you guys, make an account on MEXC. You're making money going both ways. $500 giveaway, giving away $100 over the next, well, to 5 people. And then it's going to happen in 3 days. So there's a link in the description for MEXC. This guy made 57%. Another day in the office with crypto BTC_Chris. Shorting is a superpower. This is a tweet that I'm very proud of, because when I started this journey years ago, I drove this car and I was going to work at a restaurant, and I just knew that Bitcoin was going to change my life. I didn't know how, I didn't know really what it was. It was just in its infancy to me. I actually gave this car away to a friend who needed it. I just bought a brand new Lamborghini. The Lamborghini didn't make me happy. It's fun to drive. I used to live in this trailer in the background right here. Huge house didn't make me. I was just as happy just chilling in the trailer, driving a work car, just as happy. Happiness comes from the people around you, and for me specifically, being able to help those in need. And that defines me, right? All this stuff, it's It's nice, but it's not what I thought it would be. I'm here every day, or as often as possible, to make sure you hit your goals, your financial goals, your dreams. And this was just one of my dreams. You know, I always wanted to have a Lamborghini Evo convertible, and I did it. And I'm freaking proud, because this didn't come from sitting around watching TV. This came from 6 years of hard work. I hold the title to this car. Just like literally sitting in a chair for 10 hours a day for years and years and years and years, giving me some health problems, you know, with my jaw, my back, my like tech neck, right? The only reason I tell you this is because the goal is to show you that average Joe crypto who worked at a restaurant, you can do this too. You got to want this. No one's going to do it for you. The key is being consistent. You got to show up every single day, group or no group. I'm here to help you change your life forever. We are killing it in the leverage trading group, period. The shorts on these altcoins, if they were called securities, they got nuked and we shorted them. And it's just like banger, 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 banger. I can't even take me 20 minutes to read off all the winners right here, right? But just know you can email me cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Sign up for the leverage trading group. And I've got people, first-time traders, first-time leverage traders, starting to hit wins on these shorts. Half of the market cycle is a bull cycle going up, and the other half is a bear cycle going down. If you have the ability to make money going both ways, you make twice as much money. It's a no-brainer. Learn to trade both directions, and I can help you. If you want to learn how to trade spot, you want to learn the basics, cryptorev.net, we kill it. I've got the strongest team in crypto. Bitcoin bull trap on the daily failed as far as this break. It was supposed to break out, bullishly retest. Didn't happen. Got rejected. As soon as that happens right there, as soon as you remember how many times we came up after bounce, double bottom, and got rejected, bearish retest, finally broke through and then lost it, bull trap, exit quickly, short everything, right? I just have to reiterate that idea to you. Now, this is the cleanest chart. This is the easiest chart to understand, Bitcoin daily chart, and it's simple. And somebody was in the comments, of course, well, so you're saying it's a 68% chance it could go up or down. What I'm saying is real simple. If you're watching YouTube and your mindset is still on that level, you're not going to make money in this market. You buy the breakout to the upside and you're going to 31,000. You short the move to the downside and you're going to 22,000 and then 20,000, right? Plan A, plan B. Don't get stuck on the percentages. Focus on the move as it happens. A bullish retest gives it even higher success rate. Bearish retest gives it even higher success rate to the downside, right? Basic stuff. You're forming a falling wedge on the RSI that hasn't broken out yet. So when it gets down here in oversold territory, that's when you're going to see a move. Now, 75% full, typically you see moves out of these falling wedges and triangles. The patterns are pretty full. Bitcoin likes to run to the end. So just be ready. The move's coming. This is the most important chart. Bitcoin, the weekly chart. I want you to focus on, again, same pattern, falling wedge. You cannot lose the 200 simple moving average. If you do, look what happened here. You lost a simple, you lost the 200 simple moving average and you got nuked, right? You went from 24,000 down to 15,000. Just do what the chart tells you to do. Don't make this harder than it has to be. You watched 20 YouTubers trying to predict the price action, trying to call specific prices, and they're wrong 80% of the time. All you have to do is trade what the price action tells you on the chart. Get Tradingview, links in the description. It changes the game because you can just right click, add alert on trend line, have it send you an email. You're out with friends and one time I was in Florida, right? This is 2017. And with my family, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. And China bans Bitcoin for not the first time, because they've been banning Bitcoin hundreds of times. But Bitcoin drops from 5,500 to 3,500. And I'm like on the floor in the hotel room, like just loading my bags, right? And because at that point, everybody on YouTube was like, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. And I didn't have a skill set in place, otherwise. And it worked fine because it was a bull market. Have to take advantage of the moves. You might get one move every month or two that is so solid that will create enough profits where you don't have to trade every day. Now, when you're a new trader, like you're having to build up your stack. It takes a couple bull cycles to get enough money to quit working, right? And I want you guys to have a 4-year plan. I think you can do it in 2 based on a 4-year market cycle where this market peaks in last 4 months of 2024. 2024 is going to be an amazing year for crypto. You've got to make it there. This is about survival. You've got to make the profits at these levels so that you'll have massive amounts of capital, or at least more capital, and make life-changing money. I want you to make the most of this. And in order to do so, you need to train. You need to practice. Experience is the best teacher. And I'm here to help you. I'm telling you guys, join my trading group, cryptorev.net. You can email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. You're going to make money. Group pays for itself. I'm here to help you, period.